Hi dear children, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to discuss exercise 14.3. Before that, there is one relationship between mean, mode and median. Okay, there is one relationship between mean, mode and median, and that relationship is called empirical relationship. Okay, that relationship is called empirical relationship, and that is 3 median is equal to mod plus 2 mean. Okay, this is the empirical relationship between median, mod and mean. 3 median is equal to mod plus 2 mean. Very important relationship. And in the case of median and mod, our distribution should be continuous. Okay, in the case of mod and median, the distribution should be continuous. Okay, that means our information will be given in interval form, right? Our informations will be given in interval form. Suppose our interval is 1182 to 126, 127 to 135, 136 to 144. Suppose this is our interval. Okay, and if you want to find out the mod and median of this given information, just look at the class intervals. This is not continuous. Okay, this is discontinuous class intervals we have. That means our given data is discontinuous because 126 and here the next class is starting from 127. Okay, and 135 and the next class is starting from 136. So the given information is discontinuous. So if you want to calculate the mod and median of this information, first you should make your class intervals continuous. That means to make the class intervals continuous, usually we will do 0.5 we will subtract from lower limit and 0.5 we will add to upper limit. Okay, this is the method to make the class continuous. 0.5 subtract from lower limit and 0.5 add to upper limit. Okay, 0.5 subtract from lower limit and 0.5 add to upper limit. Okay, we will do that operation. That is 0.5 if you subtract from the lower limit, we will get it as 117.5 minus 0.5 add to upper limit, so 126.5. Now 0.5 subtract from here, so 126.5, 135.5, 135.5, 144.5. Now just look at the class intervals. Now it is continuous. Continuous means the first interval is ending with the 126.5, then the second interval should starts with that same value. So 117.5 to 126.5, 126.1. The second one is starting from 126.5 and the third one is starting from the ending point of the second one, that is 135.5. Now it is continuous. So if you are going to calculate the mod and median, in that we are going to first we are going to locate the model class and the median class. Okay, first we are going to locate the model class and the median class, and we are taking the lower limit, upper limit and all. Okay, that values we are taking to calculate as mod and median. So if your information is discontinuous, the first step you should make it as continuous. For that you can do the operation 0.5 minus lower limit minus 0.5. Okay, lower limit minus 0.5 and upper limit plus 0.5. This is the operation we need to do to make our given information continuous. And in the case of mean, if your information is discontinuous or continuous, you will get the same answer. Okay, in the case of mean, if your information, okay, if you are doing calculation by using this or by using this, you will get the same answer, because in the case of mean, we are not taking the lower limit or the upper limit of the class intervals. We are not taking the lower limit or the upper limit of the class intervals to calculate the mean. We are calculating the class mark, right? We are calculating the class mark in the case of mean. So the class mark of this 126 plus 118 divided by 2. Actually, it is same as 117.5 plus 126.5 divided by 2. Okay. In both the case, you will get the same answer. Okay. What is 126 plus 118? 126 plus 118 is equal to 244. And 117.5. 126.5. This is, we will get 0 here and 1, then 8 plus 6, 4. 1, 4. Okay, we are getting the same value, 244 divided by 2. Okay, so in both the cases, you will get the class mark, xi value, same xi we will get. And we are doing operation with those xi and fi only. So in the case of mean, if the class is continuous or discontinuous, we will get the same answer. Okay, no need to, it is not compulsory. It is not compulsory to make your class intervals continuous. Okay, without making it continuous, also you can do the problem in the case of mean, but in the case of mod and median, if your class intervals is discontinuous, first you should make it as continuous. Okay, now we will do exercise 14.3, first question. 14.3, first question. The following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median, mean and mode of the data and compare them. Okay, we need to find all three central tendencies. The given information, that is the class is 65 to 85, 85 to 105, 105 to 125, 125 to 145, 145 to 165, 165 to 185 and 185 to 205. And the number of consumers 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8, 4. Okay. Now for this question, first we are going to find out the median. And if you want to find out the median, this is our frequency. In the next column, we need to find cumulative frequency, CF. So what is our CF? First value same. Then 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 13, 22. 22 plus 20, 42. 42 plus 14, 56. 56 plus 8, 64. 64 plus 4, 68. Now we need to look at the median class. For that, the last value, that is actually the summation fi. Okay, summation fi is equal to 68. Summation fi is equal to 68. To look at the median class, we need to take n is equal to summation fi is equal to 68. So n by 2 equal to 68 by 2, it is equal to 34. Okay, now just go through the CF column. We need to identify the class with the CF which is greater than and nearest to 34. Greater than and nearest to 34, that is the class 125 to 145. Okay, that is our median class. Now, in our formula, L is equal to the lower limit of the median class, that is 125, and H 145 minus 125, that is 20 class size, and F is the frequency of the median class 20, and CF is the cumulative frequency of the class which is preceding the median class. Cumulative frequency of the class which is preceding the median class, that is 22. So we got all the information. Now median is equal to what is median formula? L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Divided by F into H. L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Now just substitute all the values. Then we will get median is equal to L is 125 plus n by 2 34 minus CF is 22 divided by 20 into 20, and this is equal to 125 plus 12 is equal to 137. So we got the value median, that is 137. Now we are going to find out mean. For the same information, we need to find out the mean. I'm going to use assumed mean method to find mean. So the next one, we need to find xi, that class mark upper limit plus lower limit by 2. 65 plus 85 by 2, that is 75. 95, 115, 135, 155, 175, 195. Now we need to choose one value for A. The middle value, that is 135. So the value of A, that is 135. So the next one is di is equal to xi minus 135. Di is equal to xi minus 135. That is minus 60. 75 minus 135, that is minus 60. Minus 40. Minus 20. 0. 20. 40. 60. The next one is fi into di. Fi into di, that is equal to minus 240. 5 into minus 40 minus 200 minus 260 0 280 360 240, and the sum of this column we will get it as 140. Now by using assumed mean method, x bar is equal to a plus summation fi di divided by summation fi. A plus summation fi di divided by summation fi, and a is 135. So 135 plus 140 divided by 68. 135 plus 140 divided by 68, and this we will get it as 137.06. 137.06. What was our median? That is 137, and now we got mean is equal to 137.06. And now we are going to find out the mod. Okay. To get the mod, first we need to look at the model class. The model class is the class with highest frequency. Model class is the class with the highest frequency. And just go through that frequency column, and we can see that 20 is the highest frequency. Therefore, the model class is 125 to 145. Now, L is equal to the lower limit of the model class. H is equal to class size 20, and F1 the frequency of the model class, and F0 the frequency of the class which is preceding the model class, that is 13. And the F2 is the frequency of the class which is succeeding the model class, that is 14. Now mod is equal to L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 divided into h, and this is equal to L is 125 plus f1 20 minus 13 divided by 2 into 20 minus 13 minus 14 into 20, and this we will get it as 125 plus 10.77, that is equal to 135.77. 135.77. Actually, if we compare these three central tendencies, we can see that approximately they are equal. Question number 2. Second question. If the median of the distribution given below is 28.5, median is given. Median is equal to 28.5. We need to find the missing values, that is x and y. So the given information is class interval is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Okay, class interval, this is continuous, so no problem. And the frequencies is also given 5, x, 20, 15, y, 5. The summation of this frequency column is also given in the question, that is 60. And just add it, what we will get? 5 plus 20, 25, 25 plus 5, 30, 30 plus 15, 45, plus x plus y. So this is actually 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. Okay. Since median is given, we need to find out the cumulative frequency in the next column. So CF, first one is saying 5 plus x, 5 plus x itself. 5 plus x plus 20, that is 25 plus x. 25 plus x plus 15, that is 40 plus x. Then 40 plus x plus y, that is 40 plus x plus y. And here it is 45 plus x plus y. Okay, this is our cumulative frequency. Now, median is equal to 28.5. Median is equal to 28.5. We know that the median lies in the median class. Okay, median lies in the median class. And median class, we need to get a class with the CF which is greater than 28.5 and nearest to 28.5. Okay, we need to get the CF of that particular class which is greater than 28.5 and nearest to 28.5. Median, mode, all that information, mode will lies in the model class and the median will lies in the median class. Okay, so this 28.5, anyway 5 plus x, that is not greater than 28.5. 25 plus x and 40 plus x, that is the CF of two classes. 25 plus x and 40 plus x, which one we will choose? Okay, anyway 40 plus x is larger than 28.5, but this 25 plus x is nearest to this 28.5 and larger than. So the model class, so the median class here it is 20 to 30. The median class here it is 20 to 30 because the median 28.5 which lies in the class 20 to 30. The first equation is 45 plus x plus y equal to 60, or we can write x plus y equal to 15, put it as equation number 1. Now for calculating the median, L is equal to the lower limit of your median class, that is 20, and the h is equal to 10. F is equal to frequency, that is 20, and CF is the cumulative frequency of the class which is preceding the median class, that is 5 plus x. 5 plus x. Now, median is equal to L plus, that is 20 plus n by 2. The total frequency is given, that is 60. N is equal to 60 since the total frequency is 60. So n by 2 is 30 minus C of 5 plus x divided by F. F is 20 into H. Okay, this is our median equation. The median value is given, that is 28.5. Now 28.5 minus 20, that we will get it as 8.5 is equal to 30 minus 5. 30 minus 5 is 25 minus x, and 20 and 10 we can cancel, so divided by 2 we will have. And by solving this, we will get x is equal to 8. Now equation number 1 implies, just put x is equal to 8 and thus, so we will get y is equal to 15 minus 8, that is equal to 7. So the value of x and y, they are 8 and 7. Fourth question. In that fourth question, the class interval, that is not continuous. The class interval, that is not continuous in the fourth question. The length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeter, and the data obtained is represented in the following table. The table is 1182, 126, 126 to 135, 135 to 140. This is not 126, 127 to 135, 136 to 144, 145 to 153, 154 to 162, 162, 163 to 171, 172 to 180. Okay, just look at the class intervals. These class intervals is not continuous. So the first step we need to make it as continuous. For that, what we will do? We will subtract 0.5 from the lower limit and add 0.5 to upper limit. So the new class interval is 117.5 to 126.5, 126.5 to 135.5, 135.5 to 144.5, 144.5 to 153.5, 153.5 to 162.5, 162.5 to 170, 171.5, 171.5 to 180.5. Okay, so this is our new classes. Now the frequency is also given. The frequency, that is 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2. 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2. Now since we need to find out the median, we need to find CF. 3 plus 5, 8, 17, 29, 34, 38 and 40. Okay, the summation is 40. So n is equal to 40. Since n is equal to 40, n by 2 is equal to 20 we will get. Now just look at the CF. The CF which is greater than 20 and nearest to 20, that is the class 144.5 to 153.5. That is our median class. Now L is equal to 144.5 and F is equal to frequency of the class 12, C of the preceding frequency 17 and H is equal to 9. Now just apply these values in the equation of the median. Median is equal to L plus L is 144.5 plus N by 2 20 minus C of 17 divided by F is 12 into 9. And this is equal to 144.5 plus 9 by 4 equal to 144.5 plus 2.25 is equal to 146.75. Hence, the median length of the leaves is 146.75.